After countersink operation, the marking of length has to be carried out. That is 25, this 10, 15. So all this marking has to be carried out. So marking has to be first. For that, the tool has to be touched to the facing side. Then it should be pulled back. The tool post finger cutting tool has to be pulled back. Then after pulling back, the division of the carriage wheel has set to 0. So in this, each division, that is the least count of this division, is 0.275. That means one division is 0.275 mm. So first marking of 25 mm. So 25 mm, so that means that I have to move So I have to move 90 divisions on the carriage wheel to mark 25 mm. So I have to move 90 divisions from 0 on carriage wheel to mark 25 mm. So 90 divisions are marked to mark 25 mm on specimen. So just push the tool towards the specimen and to make a small mark. Now stop and make the next division. Now next we'll mark this 20. After marking 25, now next we'll mark this 20. So this 20 by 0.275. So once again set the apron wheel division to 0. Now 20 divided by 0.275, that is 72.722 divisions. So we will now turn 72.72 divisions. Divisions. So mark on the once again set it to 0. So now we shall mark the next 15. So 15 divided by 0.275, that is 54.54 divisions. So rotate from 0. Rotate 54.54 divisions. 54.54 divisions and mark this 15 mm on the specimen. This is 15 mm.
And 15.
So there is one more 15 mm division marking. So once again from 0 divisions, again set it to 0. So mark. So once again calculating 54 divisions. So rotate 54 divisions on the carriage wheel. 54 divisions and mark it on the specimen. So this is one more division of 15 divisions. So these are other 50 divisions. So now this is 25. So this 25 divisions again on after calculating it is 90.9 divisions. So again set it to 0. Now turn it 90.9 divisions. 90.9 or 91 divisions mainly, and mark it on the specimen. So this is 25 mm marking. So this is 25 mm marking. Now next is 15. 15 again, 15 by 0.275, 54 divisions. So from 0 again, mark 54.54 divisions. And mark it on the specimen. So this was about the 15. Now we have 10 divisions, 10 mm. Now to mark this 10 mm and 25 mm. Now we'll rotate the piece. And mount it in opposite way. So to mark this 10 and 25 mm.
25.
Now after reversing the specimen, I will mark this 25 from other end. So this 25 is 90.9 divisions. So setting to 0, we will turn 90.9 divisions. So turn it 90.9 divisions. 90.9 divisions. And just
19.
and then after turning, now after marking, start the machine. And so this is the this was the marking of the length of on the specimen.